Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the future with not one, but two jaw-dropping 2026 GMC vans that are about to change the game. Stay tuned because what's coming will blow your mind. Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 GMC Yukon XL, a full-size SUV that's redefining luxury, power, and technology for the modern driver. If you know what a large SUV can do, think again, because the Yukon XL has taken every expectation and elevated it to an entirely new level. From its commanding presence on the road to its ultra-luxurious interior, this vehicle is built for families, adventurers, and anyone who refuses to compromise on style and performance. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 Yukon XL is a bold statement. The front grille is larger and more aggressive than ever, framed by sleek LED headlights that give it a futuristic yet commanding look. The sculpted body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, creating a sense of motion even when standing still. Chrome accents, aerodynamic roofline, and muscular wheel arches make it clear that this SUV is not just about looks, it's about presence. From every angle, the Yukon XL exudes strength, elegance, and sophistication, making it impossible to ignore on the road. Moving inside, the cockpit is designed with the driver in mind. The cabin features premium leather upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and an intuitive dashboard layout. Every control is within easy reach, with a high-resolution infotainment screen that supports navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. The steering wheel is multifunctional and ergonomically designed, giving you complete control without compromising. Visibility is excellent, with strategically placed cameras and sensors ensuring safety and ease while maneuvering such a large SUV. Now the rear interior is where the Yukon XL really shines. This SUV offers multiple seating configurations, including plush captain's chairs and spacious rear sofas. Families and groups will appreciate the luxurious comfort, with enough room to stretch out even on long journeys. Integrated LCD TVs provide entertainment for passengers, and there's ample storage for everything from luggage to sports equipment. Climate controls, USB ports, and ambient lighting make the rear cabin feel like a premium lounge on wheels. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Yukon XL packs serious power. It comes with a choice of a V8 engine or a turbocharged V6, both delivering smooth acceleration and impressive towing capacity. The SUV features advanced suspension for a comfortable ride, while still handling curves with precision. Fuel efficiency has been improved compared to previous models, and the Yukon XL comes with the latest safety and driver assist technologies. When it comes to pricing, the Yukon XL starts at a competitive range considering its class and features, making it a serious contender against other luxury SUVs. Performance, comfort, technology, and style all blend seamlessly, offering value for money that few can match. Overall, the 2026 GMC Yukon XL isn't just an SUV, it's a statement, a versatile family hauler, and a luxury vehicle all rolled into one. If you're looking for power, elegance, and cutting-edge features in a full-size SUV, the Yukon XL is ready to deliver. 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper. Today we're exploring one of the most luxurious and versatile vans hitting the roads in 2026, the GMC Savana Limo Camper. If you think you've seen it all in vans, think again. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile mansion combining comfort, technology, and raw power into one unstoppable package. Every detail is designed to impress, from the first glance to the final mile. From city streets to open highways, it dominates every environment effortlessly. Starting with the exterior design, the Savana Limo Camper immediately stands out. Its elongated body gives it a commanding presence, while sleek lines and chrome accents highlight its modern luxury. The bold front grille and LED headlights ensure it's impossible to miss, whether cruising down the highway or parked at a campsite. The aerodynamic design hides the sheer size of this van, giving it elegance without sacrificing functionality. Every inch of its exterior screams sophistication and class. Even at night, its sleek LED lighting and polished surfaces turn heads everywhere it goes. Inside the cockpit, the driver is in complete control. The 2026 Savana Limo Camper features premium leather seating, a fully digital dashboard, and a large infotainment system with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Multi-zone climate control, advanced driver assist features, and a luxury steering wheel with integrated controls make every journey effortless and enjoyable. Visibility and parking are made simple with state-of-the-art camera systems and sensors designed for a vehicle of this size. It truly feels like sitting in the command center of a luxury yacht on wheels. Every control and feature is perfectly placed for maximum comfort and convenience. Moving to the rear interior, this is where the Savana Limo Camper truly redefines mobile living. It comes fully equipped with plush reclining chairs, sofas, and integrated LCD TVs, creating a lounge-like atmosphere. There's even room for a compact kitchenette or storage for gear, making it perfect for both road trips and camping adventures. Ambient lighting, USB ports, and climate control ensure every passenger enjoys first-class comfort, whether on a city street or deep in the wilderness. It's designed so every journey feels like a five-star experience. Every passenger feels pampered with luxury features that rival high-end hotels. Under the hood, the 2026 Savana Limo Camper packs serious power, offering a choice between a robust V8 or a turbocharged V6 engine. It delivers smooth acceleration, impressive towing capacity, and a stable, comfortable ride. Advanced suspension and handling technologies keep the van stable and enjoyable even on long trips or rough roads. Safety features are cutting edge, ensuring peace of mind for driver and passengers alike. No matter where you go, it combines performance and reliability like no other van. Every drive feels effortless, whether navigating city traffic or open highways. In terms of price, the Savana Limo Camper offers remarkable value for a vehicle that combines luxury, versatility, and performance. It's ideal for families, adventurers, and anyone looking to upgrade their travel experience. Whether you're hitting the road for a weekend getaway or planning a cross-country journey, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is more than just a van, it's a lifestyle. Investing in this van means investing in comfort, freedom, and unforgettable adventures. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of luxury, power, and unmatched versatility. Luxurious and versatile vans hitting the roads in 2026, the GMC Savana Limo Camper. If you think you've seen it all in vans, think again. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile mansion combining comfort, technology, and raw power into one unstoppable package. Every detail is designed to impress, from the first glance to the final mile. From city streets to open highways, it dominates every environment effortlessly. Starting with the exterior design, the Savana Limo Camper immediately stands out. Its elongated body gives it a commanding presence, while sleek lines and chrome accents highlight its modern luxury. The bold front grille and LED headlights ensure it's impossible to miss, whether cruising down the highway or parked at a campsite. The aerodynamic design hides the sheer size of this van, giving it elegance without sacrificing functionality. Every inch of its exterior screams sophistication and class. Even at night, its sleek LED lighting and polished surfaces turn heads everywhere it goes. Inside the cockpit, the driver is in complete control.